Yes, it will, my brother.
Wow. Wow. You know what God gave me, brother? You know what sets me free? Pussy. Sweet, holy pussy. You see, God, he put man on this planet for 3 reasons. Eating, fighting, and tearing up tight with pussy.
That's enough, mate.
That is what cleans my dark glasses, my brother.
Shut up and sit down, Moro.
I can't see. I got the Lord in me. He wants me up. He wants me preaching. He wants me to spread the gospel. Pussy the healer. Pussy the redeemer. Can I get an amen for pussy?
Let's go. You're out of here, asshole.